Hello and welcome to this short demonstration on how SecuPi can integrate with Kafka to protect and control access to data in streams, either from the producer side, consumer side, or both. For example, in this diagram, we have SecuPi in both the producer and on the consumer applications. On the producer side, we encrypt the data before they are pushed into the Kafka cluster. Then on the consumer side, we will decrypt the data, but only for authorized people or processes. In this other diagram, we have SecuPi only on the consumer side. And here, the data in the cluster are in the clear, but once the consumer application reads that data, it has the option of displaying the data in masked or encrypted form to unauthorized people. So how do we integrate with Kafka? I have here a very simple producer application. This one creates data in Avro format, and it will just stream that data into the cluster. So I will just run this. But before I do so, let me switch to the screen where we can see the data that are being streamed. So currently here, so no data is being streamed right now, but let me just take this one out. Okay, so currently we don't have any data being streamed. So now I am going to run this program, and it should start sending data over to this screen. What's happening? Okay, so data is being streamed. Let me just cancel this one because it will just stream the data endlessly. Now here, maybe I need to click on play here in order to see what's going on, or maybe I can just put 0 in the offset so you can see the data that has been sent so far. Okay, yes, so we do have data here. And as you can see here, the names, first name, last name, are all in clear text, and so is the social security number. Okay, so now I am going to integrate SecuPi with that Kafka program, that producer program. And the way I will do it is I will simply add this -Java agent option in the command line. Okay, so is this Java agent option is invoking another jar file, which is actually the SecuPi agent. So the SecuPi agent will start together with this Avro producer consumer program. So now I'm going to run this. But first, let me just get out of that screen and let's go to that screen where there are no messages. Okay, no new messages. So now I am going to stream the data, but this time the data will look different. And let's take a look now. You can see here that you have messages that are SecuPi related. And this is because the SecuPi agent is now being invoked and being loaded together with the producer application. Okay, there you go. And we have the stream. I'm going to kill it now. And this is the stream that came in. And now I'm going to scroll to the right. And as you can see here, the names are encrypted and the social security number is also encrypted. And the way we can control what columns are encrypted, we have rules in SecuPi for that. So in this case, our topic, the topic name goes into the section, and we know beforehand the structure of the Avro stream. And because we know the structure, we know that the sensitive columns are, for example, named this way. So we simply add them like this in a fashion similar to how you would handle normal database tables. And then we gave them this data format, which will then control how they are going to be encrypted or masked or changed in however way you want them to be changed. So that's it. So with this, we are able to protect the Kafka streams. If you have any questions about Kafka or other topics where, for example, how we can integrate with your applications that are handling sensitive data, please visit our website at www.secupi.com.